Look at this, guys. So I'm just going to walk you around this place. It's called Bekia. And then look at that. Look at that, guys. It's the stairs as they like move, so you can see the decorations, the color. Oh my goodness. And then it is breathtaking. And then let's see that. And then look at that. And there's a Wi-Fi signal. Goes all the way up. Then we get to the rooftop. And then there's a lounge area. You can see that. So there are different wings, wing A and wing B. Oh, let me go to my room. So I could probably take the lift, but I will live on first floor, so I'll just take the stairs. Guys, look at that. It's the decoration for me. It's just stunning. Hear the birds, hear the birds, hear the birds. More stairs. And just taking it gracefully in stride. I love how the lights are just going on automatically, detecting the steps. From on wing number B. You can see that. Again, still look at that detail going all the way to the rooftop. And there's where we are from. There's a lounge overhead. And then there is this, and then this is my house. So I'm just going to tap my card, and then there's my room, and then there's an entrance to my small room. Very demure, very mindful. Let's turn on the lights here. This is the bathroom. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So you can see my reflection there. Nice bathroom, clean. The branding. We have enough towels. Oh my god, there are cavities on the wall. Stunning. And then you can see the closet. We came from there, so I need to lock my door for sure. Close my door. I love how it sticks, and then it reveals the mirror, like a full-length mirror. Look at that, guys. And then this is the closet. So here's the other side. You can see the place. And then that's my safe. Wow, then I have these outfits. The bathroom. Ooh, the bathroom. And then I place my bag here. You can see my table. Look at that light. Look at my nice chair. And then look at that. Oof, that's my bed, guys. It's the bed. The video out like sleep on the live stream. Oof, so cool. And then the kettle there. And the 2 cups, there's coffee and tea. Got my nice seats. And a nice TV screen here. And then I have some curtains. What's beyond these curtains? Wow, I have a balcony. Let's see. I have a balcony, so it's here. Ooh. And voila. A long balcony goes all the way. And then there's a garden. You can hear the birds. It's very cloudy. We have a vase here. And this goes all the way to the top. So I want to maybe take a quick trip to the rooftop. Yeah. So that's it. And then, yeah, and close my door to avoid mosquitoes. Guys, it's the detail on the wall for me. Like, look at that detail. The butterflies, the gold and stuff. Oh. Nice. And if it gets cold, oh my goodness, I thought I'm feeling so cold already. I need to stay warm. Let's light up the lights. Light up the lights. Yeah, look at that. Looks stunning. Yep. And then I like the cool warm lights. Just yeah, the room looks very warm and cozy. Nice. Let me walk back. Let's go check the rooftop. I'm going to take the elevator to the rooftop just to have a sense of what that looks like, to experience the elevator. It is these subtle decorations, you know, the flower pots and stuff. So door and you get into the elevator, and then you have to go all the way to 5. Let's go see what that looks like. Ah, this is so beautiful. Nice. And voila, we are at the rooftop. And this love the tent. Oh my goodness. Let's see what's here. These are wooden floors. You can never go wrong with wooden floors. And these are like the interconnecting parts to the complex. So I stand here and I stand here. Yeah, wow. Nothing much going on. No, this is the rooftop, guys. This is all the way to the tanks. You can see the decoration on the stairs once again. Some public washrooms there. You can see cameras. You're back on the lift. You can see the other side. You can take a quick walk to the other side. It's a space. For me, it is the wooden floors because I love practicing yoga on wooden floors. It's just stunning. It's very cushiony and avoids injury. What goes on here? So again, this interconnects to the next complex, so you can see downstairs and you are connecting to the next complex. Look at this space. Look at this space. So yeah, that looks like the rooftop. Oh man. Yes, that's it, guys. Thank you for taking a tour with me. This has been amazing. Let me go enjoy my room for the night. It's a night of work, business. Yes, but this is really it. Notice even how I'm speaking. I'm very demure. I'm very mindful. I'm very cutesy.